Hello traders, Simon here, and I bring you the fantastic news that changes the direction of the modern prop trading industry. A revolution is unfolding, and from today, you will witness an amazing change in trading rules. From now on, we are removing the duration to all new FTMO challenges and subsequent verifications. The 30 and 60 calendar days period is gone. Therefore, you can enjoy passing the evaluation accounts with the unlimited trading period. Don't rush trades, let them unfold, and take whatever market is giving. You asked for it, and we delivered. Are you ready to embrace the future? Start your new FTMO challenge now with today's one-off 10% discount on all new FTMO challenges. We hope you will love this amazing improvement in our services. And as always, remember to trade safe.